1.
Make or download something. In Sims 4 Studio, create 3D mesh. Pick something similar. Export mesh.
2.
In Blender, import your item. Move it into place. Select original. Select yours. Transfer weights. With these settings. On original, delete unused verts.
3.
On your shoe, rename UV map to UV_0. Add another UV. With new UV selected, in texture editor, pin it. Open UV map if you wanna.
Find that in the description.
Edit mode. Sync selection on. Select all. Move into place. Image, new image. Rename and resize. Open shader editor. Hold Shift plus A. Type image texture. Select your new image. In object mode, select the TV. Render equals cycle. Device is GPU comp. Bake tab. Diffuse. Color only. Image texture. Clear image on. Margin size 2. Bake. Locate your new image. Save as PNG. On the shoe, if you mirrored it, in edit mode, select the mirrored shoe and flip the normals. In UV map, delete UV_0. Rename UV maps to UV_0 and add UV_1. Select yours, select original, join them. Re-import all LODs and textures. Done. They've made this unnecessarily trickier than last time, haven't they? Why?
For more Pixie tips, don't forget to subscribe.